This is the final video to solve Ubisoft Connect Server Down and offline mode not working. After dealing with Ubisoft Connect server connection problems myself and spending days testing different fixes, I eventually identified several methods that actually work, and I'll walk you through them now. The first approach focuses on basic client and network health. Restarting the Ubisoft Connect application and running it as an administrator clears temporary glitches and ensures proper permissions. Ensuring a stable internet connection and temporarily disabling VPNs or proxies removes potential interference. Clearing the application cache and updating Ubisoft Connect itself resolves corrupted data and outdated software issues, which are common culprits for server communication failures. Verifying game files also ensures the game's integrity hasn't been compromised. Method 2 addresses deeper network configurations. Restarting your router refreshes your connection to the internet service provider, often clearing temporary network hiccups. Changing DNS settings to public servers like Google DNS or Cloudflare can improve routing and speed, effectively bypassing ISP-level connection issues. Flushing the DNS cache ensures your computer is using the latest network information. Checking firewall exceptions and scanning for malware are crucial for preventing security software from mistakenly blocking Ubisoft Connect's access. Updating network drivers ensures your computer's hardware communicates efficiently. Method 3 involves checking Ubisoft's official server status and performing a more thorough reinstallation. If Ubisoft's servers are indeed down, no client-side fix will work, making this a vital initial check. A clean reinstallation, including deleting specific Ubisoft Connect folders, ensures all old or corrupted files are removed. Repairing the installation can fix corrupted program files without a full reinstall. Trying a different network helps isolate if the problem is with your home network or the service itself. Method 4 dives into system-level network resets and updates. Resetting your network adapter forces a fresh start for your computer's network connections. Updating Windows ensures you have the latest system patches that could affect network stability. Checking your system's date and time is surprisingly important, as incorrect time can cause authentication failures. Using a wired connection eliminates potential Wi-Fi interference.